Hello, welcome to DK Bowl Chat. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm working on the beach picture. It's actually to the side of the ocean and has a little tree on it. I'm gonna put that tree back today. Also, I'm using a liner. This is a script liner. And I'm using a medium to thin down the oil paint that I'm painting with. And I'm gonna put in a trunk. The trunk it almost looks black. So I'm gonna go with a little bit of burnt umber and ultramarine as the color. And I'm mixing those together. Let's get that to be a little bit of the medium, maybe. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And that's, there we go. Okay, so if I pull through that, I can just put that in. This is a script liner, which makes it super easy to put this in. And it's Gamblin oil paint. There's going to be more pine needles down here. There'll be more shrubbery covering that up. And the branches in here too. I love script liners, they're fun. They're fun to play with. And make one go in the other way as well. And yes, I will put the green on there later, but at least we got the basic trunk in there. Okay. And there's a little tree off to the side here. I'm going to put that back in as well. Kind of coming outside the rock there. I really enjoy doing trees, painting them in. Branch that comes across the front here. We're going to put that in as well. And then I've got chromatic black on the brush that I'm going to use here with a little bit of burnt umber and ultramarine, which is a good natural black. And that's just going to go right back where it was before, which is right here, right up to the edge. This part is shadow, and it's acrylic. This is oil that I'm painting onto it, but the original image that was on there is acrylic. That one has a little bit of brown in it. I'm gonna go back to chromatic black. I'm glad you're here with me today. I have been working on my YouTube channel this year and last year especially, and doing shorts and longer videos in the hopes of monetizing at some point. I'll have to have a celebration when I do monetize. even if it's, you know, $5. I'm just looking forward to that day. That'll be good. 'Cause I love to paint. Might as well, right? Might as well do a YouTube channel. Okay, so I've got most of the shadow on here. And again, I'm using Gamblin paint. This is chromatic black and burnt umber. Fill that in, and I see a little bit of the rock down here that's got the ocean showing through. We'll take that and put the rock there. There we are. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just re-establish the rock there. With the shadow. Right over that ocean. And over the old rock. Our light source is obviously coming from this side, which is important to know where your light source is coming from before you get too carried away with your painting, especially if it's a landscape or a still life. That's good enough. Where else do I see shadow? I see shadow right here on the side here. It's coming around the, like it's where part of this rock is sticking up. Going back into chromatic black, which is a type of black, it's fine. Black is black, right? There's different shades of it, so you want to make sure that it's a natural looking black. Chromatic is natural looking. There we go. Just where I see the shadow. Reestablish that. There we go. This brush is a number 2 Blick. It is a round, number 2 round. And I'm going to put in the base of these rocks. And there's more rocks. I don't know how many I'm going to put in, but a few more. I'll put in a few more. These are all rocks at the tops of the rocks. But they have a little dark side on them, huh? Got a little side that's a little shadow. Put that in to help offset the lighter part. There we go. And I need to get some medium going in here because it is getting a little bit chalky there. It needs some medium. Put that on there. More here. And I am so glad you joined me today. Thank you for joining me for this video. If you like watching the process, the videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you like